This joint I'm going to make is a dovetail joint. So to start, I just set my gauge at a random angle and make the first mark. There's the second mark. So these are my marks, and I won't put any marks on this piece yet. So what I'm going to do is just carefully cut out this piece. So what I've done is clamped this block to the cedar, and with a sharp pencil just mark it out. And now I can take it back to the bandsaw and carefully cut this piece. This one is right out of the bandsaw. I did not file it or sand anything. So we'll see how it fits. So far it's going in pretty tight, but we'll carry on. Looking good. Looking good. And there it is. That's a pretty good joint, just done on the bandsaw. This is going to be a cross halving joint. I just marked these two, and now I can cut them on the bandsaw.